Alrighty, welcome everyone to growercoach.com. Guess what time it is? It's January 2021 and it's time to start thinking about spring and gardening and all that kind of thing. So we've got a great lineup of seminars for you this spring, and actually this year, instead of having live audiences, now we're just going to be doing them on the Zoom program. So now they're webinars. So have a look at growercoach.com, look at our list, so you can look at the learning tab and just click on that. And that'll give you a real quick idea of what we have coming up, and you can click and select and register right online right there for your classes. So coming up first will be a couple classes that I'm pretty excited about. Number one is the Right Plant, Right Place, which is one of the key most important things when it comes to maintenance. I always get that question all the time. How do I do low maintenance gardening? Or, hey, I want to have a new landscape, but I want it to be low maintenance. So that's something that everybody says, but guess what? It only works if you have the right plant in the right place. The other seminar that we have coming up right away is the how to grow super hot peppers in your garden. And so the reason we're doing it in January is because that's when you have to get going. You got to be ready in January. So that's coming up as well. And that's going to be on the 20th of January. And the Right Plant, Right Place is the 16th of January. Then we also have our first pruning seminar or webinar. We have lots of these pruning webinars coming because it's really our most popular program. We have sort of the pruning for let's say above average beginners, and we also have pruning that's a little bit more extended for professionals. So starting out will be pruning basics, and that's coming up on the 23rd of January. So to finish off the month of January, we have two other classes, and one of them is going to be a plant science seminar or webinar, and that's coming up on the 30th, and it's actually two classes. So you can sign up and you can take the first class on the 30th, and the second class follows up about a week later. So that's it for the beginning part of these webinars. I really hope you stay tuned this spring and see what else we have coming down the pipes. We have about 20 of these webinars lined up at the moment, and we're going to be throwing in some freebie ones as well along the way. And yeah, we really appreciate all the support. Remember to check our YouTube channel for all kinds of good advice and cool little tips. So that's a Grower Coach on YouTube. So that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully we'll see you at the webinars.